Here we are nearly a week after the landfall of Hurricane Florence. Of course, you go back to last Friday morning, we had the official landfall as a Category 1 storm. And it wasn't necessarily the wind that was the main concern. It was the heavy rainfall. Anywhere from about 20 to near 40 inches of rain fell across North Carolina, even parts of South Carolina. And we have a lot of cleanup to do, and still some communities are submerged with flooding, still a major issue yet into next week even, and possibly even into the end of the month. Here's a look at Cape Fear and the river in North Carolina, crested 3 feet above record stage. And of course, we are looking at near record stage even through this upcoming weekend. Still in major flood stage, though, as we head throughout next week, which is our last full week of September. And as you can imagine, a lot of rivers in that moderate to major flood stage. So this is going to continue yet, as I mentioned, over the next several days and potentially even over the next several weeks. Thankfully, things remain pretty quiet. No named storms in the Atlantic Basin right now. Things remain pretty quiet in the eastern Pacific as well, but we do have post-tropical cyclone 19, and the remnants of that are beginning to shift north into the lower 48. So we do have some flash flood watches in place for parts of New Mexico, far west Texas, and even flood watches in Oklahoma City. So that heavy rain does kind of shift that way. So most of the heavy moisture shifting east now of Arizona into New Mexico. We're looking at the potential of maybe some 2 to 4+ inch rainfall tallies northern Texas and into Oklahoma. And of course, this moisture, some of it anyway, is kind of getting pushed up into the central U.S., where we do have some heavy rainfall potential yet through today from Sioux Falls to just west of Madison out there. Anywhere from 2 to maybe 3 inches of additional rainfall in the Midwest. We even have a chance for some severe weather, including tornadoes. Minneapolis down into Wisconsin and Iowa, and then that threat does shift east into the eastern Great Lakes heading into our Friday. We'll keep you up to date.